Mr. Tranquilo, I'm good. We'll be getting ready for work here pretty soon from sis girl. I mean Gorgeous Jean. Suksok na bulsa, driving na. Ingat Tita Miriam. Iba Rosie, thank you. Nag-start na po yung nakapin. Mr. Tranquilo, thank you. Motivation, Melodies. Hello, hello, my friend. I'm here in your channel. Motivation, watching here your no upload your 12 hours ago, the 6 minutes and 45 seconds. You can support our friends here. They are legit friends. You are now a moderator. Good morning, host, and to all. Cecil BSS, thank you. Lisa Jean, salamat Inday. Travel and Happiness, nag-start ka na travel. Eva Eurosis, thank you. Maring Kababayan Vlog, salamat. Kung di kayo busy guys, may dyan, may naka-premiere. Kung di kayo busy, pwede nyo puntahan yan. Maring kababayan mo, dito po ako sa iyo ulit. Dito ako sa 3 minutes and 31, 7 days ago, yung pansit mo. Harang na ako sa iyo. Ay, tapos na pala to napanood. Napanood ko na pala to 5 days ago. Diyan na lang muna kasi nagharang na siya eh. Travel, thank you Travel. Silip-silip lang, nasa labas. Ingat po. Mamaya, okay, mamaya pa. Salamat Travel, salamat din sa blessings. Thank you ma'am from Motivation Melodies. You are so welcome. Our friend guys, I pin above guys. His premiere is still ongoing if you guys are not busy. Motivation Melodies, your video nature is very nice. Kantahan lang mga dilos. Thank you everyone for all your support.